Good morning, students. Today I will explain the chapter The Preposition. A preposition can be defined as a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show its relation to another word in a sentence. Preposition is a word made up of two words, pre and position. So we can say that it is the preposition of a noun or pronoun which connects it with the rest of the sentence. Some of the prepositions are at, through, by, under, above, within, inside, up, etc. Prepositions are used to show direction, location, time or to introduce an object. प्रेपोजिशन का यूज़ हम डायरेक्शन, लोकेशन या फिर टाइम को बताने के लिए करते हैं या फिर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए. नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल डू यूज ऑफ ऑन. यूज टू एक्सप्रेस अ सरफेस ऑफ समथिंग, किसी भी चीज़ की सरफेस को बताने के लिए. ही केप्ट द ग्लास ऑन द टेबल. द क्लॉक इज हैंगिंग ऑन द वॉल. नाउ हियर glass and clock, they both are touching the surface of table and wall. Used to specify days and dates. Then it is also used to specify days and dates. Rohan was born on August 15, 1995. My father will come back on Tuesday. Now in both the sentences we have used day and date, and with day and date we have used on. Used to indicate a device or machine such as a phone or computer. किसी भी डिवाइस और मशीन को इंडिकेट करने के लिए, जैसे कि फ़ोन और कंप्यूटर. देविका इज ऑन द फोन राइट नाउ. नाउ हियर वी हैव यूज्ड ऑन विथ फोन एंड इट इज़ अ डिवाइस. He has been working on the computer since morning. Now here computer is a machine and we have used the preposition on here. Used to indicate a body part. Body part को indicate करने के लिए. Now see the examples. The master hit her on the palm. She patted me on my back. Now here palm and back both are the part of the body. So we have used on. Then use for festival days. Festival days के लिए भी we use on. She was here on Diwali day. They came here on Christmas day. Now use of at. Use to point out specific time. Specific time को point out करने के लिए. The train will come at 7 p.m. She met me at 1 p.m. yesterday. Now in both the sentences we have given the specific time. So we have used here at. Used to indicate a specific place, point or location. Specific place या place, point या फिर location को indicate करने के लिए. Now he is standing at the door. Here they have indicated a specific place. Now there is a party at the clubhouse. Now in this sentence they have indicated a location, so we have used that. Used to indicate an activity, किसी भी activity को indicate करने के लिए. They all laughed at me. I am good at drawing a landscape. Now here laughed and drawing is an activity, so we have used at here. At is used for a point of time. It is also used for a point of time. I met him at 11:40 o'clock. She returned at noon. Then at plus festival. We use at with the festivals also. They had a holiday at Diwali. We visited his friend at Christmas. Now Diwali and Christmas are festivals. So we have used preposition at here. At plus meal. Now we use at with meals also, like at breakfast, at dinner, etc. They met each other at dinner. All the friends were present at lunch. So dinner and lunch are meals, so we have used the preposition at here. Now use of in. Used for unspecific times during a day, month, season or year. Unspecific times को बताने के लिए. It usually rains in July. She always reads newspaper in the morning. Now here, not specific time is not mentioned, so we have used in here. Used to indicate a location or place. किसी भी लोकेशन और प्लेस को इंडिकेट करने के लिए भी हम इनका यूज़ करते हैं. दे आर करंटली स्टेइंग इन अ होटल. माई होम टाउन इज़ न्यूयॉर्क विच इज़ इन द USA. Now used to indicate a shape, color or size. It is also used to indicate a shape, color or size. Now Mahesh looks good in blue. The jacket comes in 4 different sizes. In both the sentences we have used color and size, so we have used the preposition in here. Uses for an enclosed space. It is also used for an enclosed space means जो चारों तरफ से बंद होता है. I have no money in my wallet. They have kept the bottle in the box. Then used to indicate a belief, opinion, interest or feeling. Belief, opinion या interest, feeling को भी indicate करने के लिए हम इनका use करते हैं. जैसे I believe in God. This is our belief. They are not interested in gambling. This is our interest. So we have used the preposition in here. Then in plus year, season of the year. We also use in for year or for with the season of the year, with seasons also. Like my sister was born in 1988. Here we have used year, so we have used in. She goes to Shimla in summer. Summer is a season, so we have used the preposition in here. Then use of since and for. Since tells us the moment of time when an action began. Since हमें उस टाइम उस मोमेंट टाइम का मोमेंट बताता है जिस समय कोई एक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग इंग्लिश सिंस 1992. मैक हैज़ बीन इन यूरोप सिंस August. Then for tells us the duration of an action. For जो हमें किसी भी एक्शन की ड्यूरेशन को बताता है. It expresses how long it lasted. कि कितने टाइम तक वो चला. I have been studying English for 16 years. Mac has been in Europe for 2 years. Now use of between and among. Between suggests a position between two objects or person. Between को हम two objects, between को हम two और two से ज़्यादा only two persons की position को बताने के लिए use करते हैं. For example, I parked my car between the house and the tree. Now here there are only two objects, so we have used between here. Who is sitting between Ravi and Hari? So here we have there are only two persons, so we have used between here. Among suggests a position where more than two persons or objects are involved. Among का यूज़ हम वहाँ करते हैं जहाँ पे दो से ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं. Now see the examples. There was a serious discussion among the members of the committee. Here there are more than two people. Radha is popular among her friends. Now use of in and into. In suggests the position at rest. In जो है किसी भी चीज़ की पोजीशन के बारे में बताता है जो कि रेस्ट पे है. There was a fly in the soup. There were dresses in the cupboard. Now the fly was already in the soup, so we have used in here, and the dresses were already kept in the cupboard, so we have used in here. Into suggests movement from outside to inside. Now into suggests some movement, some action. The fly flew into the soup. Fly जो थी वो उड़ती हुई आई और सूप में गिर गई. So here is some movement. The man dived into the pool. Here there is also some action. Use of beside and besides. Beside means next to or near. There is a park beside the school. I am sitting beside Rajan. Then besides means in addition to. देयर्स नो वन हेयर बिसाइड्स अस. बिसाइड्स का मतलब होता है इसके अलावा. शी वॉन्ट्स टू learn other languages besides German and English. So I hope students you all have understood the chapter. Now try to do these exercises, back exercises of the chapter yourself, and I will send you the answer key in the evening. Thank you.